I have 10 minutes to film this video. I think my chair just broke. We're running with it. Hello Internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an introduction for the Colourpan Project Pan. This is round 4, created by Misty. As always, Misty will be linked down below, as well as everyone else participating in this project. This started January 18th, 2025, and will end December 18th, 2025. This is a rolling project pan, so once a item reaches its goal, it rolls out, and I can roll more goodies from Colourpop in. So, like I said, all these items are going to be Colourpop items. I'm not necessarily looking for completion. I don't really want to complete items in this project. I just want to get a lot of use and hit some goals. So that is the plan. So let's start with the first item. This is Colourpop's, what are you, a Super Shock highlighter? No, pressed powder highlighter in the shade Moonlight. This was from the round 2 Sailor Moon collab. It's a very light pink highlighter. My goal is to use it 20 times. Very excited. It's pretty much like has not been touched. Disgusting, I know. So very excited to use it. Next, this one I've used, this one I love, so I'm excited to have this in a project. This is the Colourpop and High School Musical collab. This is the blush in Wildcat. This is like the nudie blush. I can't wait to pan this. Oh my gosh, can I speak today? No. I can't wait to pair this with this. I think they're going to have fun together. My goal with this blush is to use it 20 times as well. I feel like 20 is not too bad because if I really enjoy it, I'm going to use it every single day and it's going to be rolled out by the next update. But it also, if I'm not, you know, if I'm taking my time with it, it can be in 2 to 3 rounds and that's fine. I like that. Love that. Next, I have a Super Shock shadow in the shade Dream Lover. My goal is to hit pan on this. I can't even remember. What do you look like? Oh, you're a little dried out, but that's okay. It's like a pinky. Is that silver mica? Can't tell if it's blue mica or silver. What are you? I don't know. Not too bad. It's gonna go really well with a lot of the other stuff I'm panning, so excited to play with that. Next, I pulled in a eyeliner, also from the Sailor Moon collab, the round 2. Oh gosh, how do you say this one? This is Azubi Juban? I think it's one of the districts that they live in, if I remember correctly. But it's a really pretty purple eyeliner. My goal will be to use it 10 times. Honestly, I see these pairing well together with the next item I'm going to show you guys. So there's a look. There's a look, and I think it's going to happen. Next, from the Animal Crossing palette, the last item I have pulled in is from the La Belle of the Ball palette. Oh, I forgot. This is the last item in its entirety. I want to reach for this 5 times. So whether I just reach for it and only use one shade, that is fine. But I want to reach for this palette 5 times because this was my favorite out of the quads they did. And you can't really tell. You can kind of tell on this one. But I feel like there's no dip, nothing. So I'm starting with 5 items. As of this moment, I'm behind. I have not watched anyone else's intros yet. So I don't know if a lot of people are sticking with 5. If some people are doing more. We'll find out. We'll see. We'll chat. But very, very excited. Yeah, I filmed a weekly makeup basket a couple days ago, and I was talking about how I've been very much liking shiny, pretty stuff, and like even today, I mean, this is after a 8-hour work shift, so some of the sparkle's gone. My face is completely gone. I didn't set it well this morning, but I'm very much in sparkly pretty mood, so this is right up my alley. Happy to play with it. Can't wait to play with it. I typically don't set goals for the first month of a project because I don't know, I just do. But I think I am gonna try and see if I could hit my goal on the eyeliner, just because I would really, really like to go through all of my Colourpop liners during this project. That would be nice to get some usage on them, to see who's expired, how's everyone doing, you know, a little progress report on all of them. But I know this one is one of my newest ones that has not been used, so that's why I wanted to use that one first. And also Pretty Purple, so how am I gonna say no to her? So those are the products I'm starting with. I have a lot from Colourpop, so I would really like for me to focus on this project. That's why I think these items compared to my other projects are going to be good addition items. So I see it being a very successful one. So knock on wood, I get my act together so I can make this successful, because I really like it. So that is it for me. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I will see you all next time. Bye.